Okay, so here we are out in Alberta. We're doing a little bit of elk hunting. We didn't think there were any elk in here. I gave 2 bugles with my Larry D. Jones call and spooked them right out of here. So we're off and seeing if we can either find some more, maybe a satellite pole. But I was a little shocked. There was a herd of about 15 on the side of the swamp, kind of like where we are now. We're way up on the hill over there, and run them out. And ran them right out of here. The bull was on the tail of them, just running them out. So, wish us luck. We've seen a couple coyotes, lots of geese and stuff. So we might come back here with the shotgun. What I just found here. Oh yeah, nice boy. Oh yeah, baby, that's a nice deer. That's a nice mule deer, man. Look at that. That's a nice big deer, boy. That's what we're after too, but we aren't allowed to shoot these. They changed the regs this year. 7 years to draw for one of these in Alberta now. In a lot of places, not everywhere, but here it's 7 years to draw for one, but we're allowed to take antlerless or a little buck, anything that's got less than 4 inches. Oh, I'd like to take that home, but you know, hang it in the tree somewhere here. I'm not gonna get it next time. Awesome, right on, man. My new Bear Outbreak bow, brand new Bear Outbreak, and some nocturnal blue ones. Archer's got the green ones. We're starting to hate these. We think they give you away, these orange fletches. So I'm going to turn them black and green. See any meat here? Archer just sighted a herd of 9 elk on the other side, so maybe the elk actually ran to us and not away from us, and we ran to this side. So we didn't run, but we snuck. And we just had a huge mule deer buck come out on us. We love this place. I could have easily filled my tags for geese today and ducks. But I'm just glad there's no shotgunners in here. I think it would have really ruined it. I know, that. Archer sneaking up on a rabbit. It's about the 3rd one. Is this the 4th one that's jumped out from us? We're actually after elk or deer, but if you have any doubt whether Realtree camo works, Happy bunny.
Brassicones.
Freaking Cabela's Laser Pro Max.
I'm sorry, YouTube, for laughing, but that is quite impressive. Hemorrhaging.
So at least we got that. Now we need we've had two nice big, well, one really giant buck and mule deer buck, and a smaller buck came out, but we're not allowed to shoot those. But we still have a lot of daytime left, and I guess we could eat this little rabbit if we wanted. Of course, this is actually not a cottontail. This is a hare, is what this is. So, snowshoe hare. So, fall plumage. Okay, so now we gotta clean them up and eat them. It's gonna stink us all up. See what I mean?
So we've been working this this ridge up here for a while, and Dad saw a rabbit and pushed it out for me and got him right in the toupee.
Lovely shot, so, man.
That worked out good.
He never knew what hit him, eh?
Not quite, no.
But it's kind of nice. And we could have got a lot of ducks and geese with our bows too, eh? Well, I don't know if we're allowed to use compounds out here, but anyway. I mean, if we were hungry, we wouldn't be hungry. And you got a rabbit in the other bag, right?
That is correct.
Lovely, juicy. The only thing now, we've effectively made a blood trail that elk are not going to want to go past.
That's quite obvious, but we've had a lot of fun.
Right where we're standing right now is where the 15 or so went this morning running through here. So yeah, now we're gonna put a bunch of bloody rabbit here. Oh well, what can you do when you live in a shoe, eh? So we're still trying for elk, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, there you go. And remember, we were complaining about those fluorescent those fluorescent feathers. What do you got to say about them now?
Story. Well, we were pushing this. It's really thick in here, and my quiver fell off, and that got me rather down in the face because we walked about another 500 meters and had to come back. But I did find it because of these guys sticking up from the ground.
Yeah, so with broadheads and the lumen arrows, whatever the heck they're called, nocturnal lighted knocks, that's what, 80 bucks?
Well, I got
broadheads, the whole bit.
Phantoms, so that's 30 bucks.
Field point.
Field point.
4 carbon arrows.
$30 plus 4 carbon arrows. So.
And the quiver itself, which is probably 50 bucks.
The boning quiver, so.
Okay, signing off. Signing off? Who's signing off this time? Okay.
Dot Start and Mr. Sandman.